Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel payment subscription on Google Play. Google Play offers various subscription based services including music streaming, cloud storage and app subscriptions. If you want to cancel a payment subscription on Google Play, you can easily do it through the Google Play Store app or the Google Play website. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of cancelling a payment subscription on Google Play. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Google Play Store. Let me tap on it. You can see my Play Store right there. So guys, now once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it, the top right. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see payments and subscriptions. You can see it right there, the third option. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the second option, which is written subscriptions. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to find all the apps that you subscribe to, both the active and inactive subscriptions. As you can see right here, this subscription right there is active. You can see the app right there, PDF Maker, image to PDF. You can see the app logo right there on the right. So I've subscribed to this app, but I want to unsubscribe. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on the logo. So guys, here's the next step. This is where you're going to find all the details of the payment subscription. For you to cancel this subscription, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see cancel subscription down there. So let me tap on it. Then here's the next step. They're asking you what's making you cancel this subscription. So what you have to do now is to select one of this option. We can go through it, so you can select the one that best suits the reason why you're actually canceling the subscription. Before canceling, let us know why you're leaving. Your response may be shared with the developer. The first reason is cost related reason. The second one is I found a better app. The third one there is I don't use this service enough. The fourth one is technical issues. The fifth one is others, while the last one is decline to answer. So let me just choose the first option, cost related reasons. Then let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Let me get to read it. It says your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on 1st March 2025 and you won't be charged anymore. After this date, you will no longer have access to the benefits from this PDF Maker. So after you cancel, after the billing period date, the cancellation, you no longer have access to the benefits you're getting from the app. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see cancel subscription. So let me tap on it. So guys, it's loading up. Wow guys, can see subscription will be cancelled. So now at the due date is going to be cancelled. Then you will no longer be charged for the app. So guys, now this is how you can be able to cancel payment method on Google Play. See you in the next upload.